Today's modern organizations demand a fully integrated communication system to protect their people, enhance business communication, and improve employee experience. Allow us to take you on a tour of a fully integrated system created by EDC. In any modern manufacturing solution, it is paramount to have a dedicated communication hub for centralized system management and network control. Our system supports a wide array of triggering and notification tools, all working in concert. All triggers can be integrated with weather alerts, fire alarms, and other protocols unique to your facility. When the system is activated, each element performs a vital role. Your communication system should be as uniquely and optimally constructed as your facility. Partner with EDC to build a safer, smarter, more connected operation.